Hi Phil. You come across as someone who really thrives on looking at your alternatives and making a decision. So I'm really interested to know, with your psychometric testing, which method you used and why you decided to use that particular tool.
I use the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, which I'm sure many people will be familiar with, primarily because at the time it was probably the most understood and most accessible of all the personality driven profiles. And we actually implemented it with a team of psychologists. And one massive tip, if I look back on my career and go, trust me, I've made a lot of really pants decisions. A really good decision was actually to understand how people were wired and how they worked. And so looking back and putting a team of psychologists into the business in 2001 was a decision that I look back on and go, God, I didn't do badly there, because I just got to understand the differences in the people. And that's 16 different type indicators that one shows you. And suddenly it all became clear to me. It became clear to me why some people were quite introvert, or the introverts were naturally spotted, and I kind of wasn't really spotting it. The extroverts, 70% of my sales team are extrovert personality. Hey, oh right, okay, well what does that suddenly mean? Well, they're probably all great because they can spend lots of great time, quality time with our customers. But I tell you one thing I need to do is I need to put one hell of a team of administrators behind them. And when I got that, I suddenly went, do you know what we're going to do? We're going to take that payload of work when you do it now and give it to a team internally who will do that work for you. And I started to get amazing results. Whereas all I got before was frustration because people weren't doing the things they were meant to be doing. So all of that wiring, maybe I'm just a bit logical in the way that I view the world, was for me a fantastic decision and has really allowed me to open the potential up of our company.
That probably works quite well, having all those extroverts, because it makes up for your sort of rather introverted personality.
Correct.
Yourself.